So we're playing Roll Company once again with my boy David, Tim, and Geo on Nintendo Sky.
Can they hear us or no?
Yeah,
Oh, alright.
they can hear everybody in the group.
Nintendo Sky. Sick.
Yep. So I recorded the first one, and then this is the second. The first one was actually really fun. What was it? Not Demolition, was it? Or it was, huh?
Yeah, it was Demolition.
Damn.
So ranked matches, do they have more rounds or less rounds?
It's the same. It's just more harder, I think.
Oh, more harder.
Just because the players are better.
Oh, I would like players better like that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Jamie's like, oh, come on.
Yeah.
We'll see what happens.
We're defending on this one. Stop the enemy from planting the bomb.
Ooh, this one with the 7 point.
Heck yeah. Healer man. Ooh, someone took David's. So is David gonna be... Oh, he is. He's gonna be the man.
Tell them.
Yep.
It makes no difference.
Yeah. I like Talone. I think we all have katanas except for Saint.
Oh, Saint?
Yes.
Yeah, for sure.
Saint has a stick, doesn't he? Like a baseball bat? No, wait, no, he has a tomahawk or something like that.
Hold on. Somebody's calling me. Give me 1 minute.
Alright.
Oh, we lost Tim.
They're not in.
Tim's gone.
Bye, Tim.
I think we're gonna face only 3 people. Just because the other person's not selecting.
Alright guys, I'll be right back in a minute.
Alright, Alex.
Sick.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Alex left. That's the game.
I want clean kills. Watch your lines of fire. No mistakes.
Okay, should I revive you, David, or should I do Tim?
Sure. You can do Tim if you want.
You're with me.
I already did you, my bad. If you start dying a lot, I'll follow you. If Tim dies a lot, I'll follow him.
Prevent the enemy from planting the bomb.
Alright. Where we go? Are we defending or attacking?
Yeah, we're defending.
Oh, where are they going?
I'm gonna go A.
No. Look B. Oh, they're
Okay.
B.
They're at B.
Oh, that sucks.
Help! What are you doing? On your feet.
Dude, your
Back in
hand
the
up
fight.
pretty
I didn't say you could up.
The bomb has been spotted.
David, right there, right beside you, behind you.
They crushed us.
Oh, never
Run
mind.
it again.
Never
Oh,
mind.
member. I'm solo member.
Oh yeah, my fault. I accidentally got the other person. I thought that was you. I'm so sorry. You always pick her that I always think it's her. It's you. A Ronin?
With me.
But I think that's her name, Ronin.
I think I looked at my gamer tag.
So I revived Ronin and then I went down. But then I was yelling at Ronan, but I thought it was you. So it was just.
Wow.
It was bad.
Yo.
Oh my god.
I'm yelling at a person that can't even hear me.
Well, that's crazy.
Oh, they got.
Bomb active. Find it and defuse it.
Alright.
No!
Oh, damn, we suck.
On this one, yeah.
Okay,
Ah,
wipe
she
out.
saw me. Okay, so now we know they went A twice, right?
What the heck?
You're with me. Sure.
All time I got my main gun.
Heck yeah, I got my gun too.
I'm not invincible with my main gun. I don't know if that's good or bad.
That should be good, right?
Not good. I guess you have to be built with both guns. Your primary and your secondary.
Yeah, I know, but we barely use our primary. Or is that a secondary? No, secondary, right? I barely use a secondary.
Yeah. Dang. Oh, of course they put some bombs. Those losers.
Oh, she got me. There's two of them running towards me.
If I was Robert right now, I could have hit.
You crushed us. Run it again.
I could have.
So far we're 0 and 3.
Yeah, that's bad.
Dang.
Oh,
That's okay.
That will help.
Very good at assassination.
You're with me.
After that good victory, we're not doing so well.
What are they? Oh, they're going straight. I'm going to see if they're going to A.
On my game, it doesn't even show them going down. Like, I don't see no fire, nothing. No, David. They took me down the same way I was gonna take them down.
You crushed us. Run it again.
Try to jump down, I guess.
Ooh.
Good enough.
Ooh, gold damage
You take
is
point.
125.
Oh wow. So we're 0 and 4.
Yeah.
Can we make a comeback or at least something? Because we just keep dying.
Yeah, at least one round.
Let's break the cycle.
Oh, I got it.
Lethal out.
Your boy Big Tim is not here.
he left.
Bomb's active. Find it and defuse it.
Help me up. My bad, guys. I had a long talk.
If I miss this one, I suck.
This mission can still be completed.
All friendlies eliminated. Regroup.
Did it really?
I'm not sure if you did.
I thought I had it, and then it just kind of, I don't know. I thought I hit him too.
Yeah, I thought you did. It looked like he did select it.
I wonder if you could deflect it. Now I'm leaving a questioning.
You're with me.
Yeah. Because he had his axe.
Where'd you go, Tim? Or who was that on the phone?
It was one of my closest
Oh, for sure.
yeah, he was asking me what would happen to I was like, just choose. It just sucks, to be honest.
Lethal out.
Why? Wow, Tim, you gotta be careful.
Yeah.
I'll argue for you.
Bomb's active. Find it and defuse it.
I do it.
Oh, to the right,
Behind us.
To the left.
To the left, to the right, to the left. Now bring it down.
This is what happens when
Okay,
people
okay.
don't follow
1v1.
Now bring it down.
Yeah.
Yeah, but let's not forget he has a thing on there. He could possibly have claymores.
Get this on the bomb, I think. So,
Dang! I can't do it. I'm gonna
We crushed us.
Dang it.
Run it again.
I almost had him too.
I'm getting so frustrated.
Halfway
Oh,
home.
shoot.
oh, we're
We're
attacking.
attacking now. Hit him hard.
We're attacking.
Oh, yeah. This dog is dope.
What?
I guess I'm just going Scorch. I'm gonna throw some fire. I'm gonna light it up on the first one. Fire grenade.
Potentially.
Somebody just is the same color.
No.
No, it actually did my time.
The fire girl coming.
Move here.
Match point for the enemies.
I can work with this.
Like that should sound good.
Oh, I had the bomb.
Oh, you have the bomb?
Bomb's down. Don't leave it behind.
I've got the objective.
Pick
What do
a
you think
site
we'll
and plant the
succeed
bomb.
more on? A or B? Let's go A.
Hey.
Alright, going A.
Lethal out.
I'm down.
This is what I do. Get up.
There's one right beside you, Tim.
Good. Bomb has been dropped. Crushed us. Run it again.
That's really embarrassing.
Oh, I think I need to get a move.
We were 0 and 7.
Okay, I have a question. Even though we surrender, I think that counts as loss anyways. Even though we get defeated, it still counts as loss. You know?
Does it really?
My God.
Yeah, that still counts as
Oh.
loss.
Yeah, you're right.
Surrender.
We should have done a surrender. So on 2 out of 7, so 5 more.
I think either way, we lose anyways.
Yeah, but I didn't see no comeback. We didn't even win once.
This is, that's why I'm saying we should not surrender because we'll lose anyway.
Are you kidding?
Oh, I see.
That's what I mean. Why surrender if we're gonna lose anyways.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Yep. That makes sense.
I see other people surrendering because they want rage quit. That's all.
Oh yeah. So then let's not surrender and let's just keep trying.
Yeah.
We're defending on this one. Stop the enemy from planting the bomb.
Oh, we're defending.
I think I'm gonna say this. I think I'm bad at defending.
You're bad at defending.
Yeah. But I'm gonna try because Anvil's pretty good at defending.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna choose Anvil and I'm gonna just use the shield. Protect us.
Oh, God, they don't want it. Oh.
I don't even know why my pastor another 3 years for the signature to have played out.
What are you talking about?
Okay, so this whole pastor, the whole pastor has the intern privilege. They have that 3 years.
Stay behind me. We'll lock it down.
Oh.
After the 3 years of pastor, then for a new pastor.
Get me up.
I'll take that.
I'll take that. Where's the... I'm the greatest.
Stop the enemy from planting the bomb.
I'm the greatest.
I'm the greatest.
I need help. I'm the greatest.
I want to cheat on this game a little bit because it's difficult a little bit. I can't do it.
Right behind you, Tim. So they're at B.
Got that headshot. Yeah, they're at me.
I don't know.
Enemy armed the bomb. Disarm it.
Oh, dude. Heal me. Yeah.
We found the bomb.
I'll be back, you guys.
Okay, that's fine.
I'm on the objective.
Bomb defused.
That's so funny.
Hey, we broke the losing record.
Yeah.
We worked as a team. We won around.
Oh, I didn't win a round, but I won fourth.
I know you got shot.
What?
You got shot, David?
Yes. Yes, I got shot.
Okay, we going B again or no?
Yeah, but I'm gonna go around.
Okay.
Always want to go around.
They have that one black dude that is a sniper.
Hold on, let me see if they're up here.
Enemies
my
planted
God.
the bomb. Stop them. We found the bomb.
Wait, it's at A? Oh yeah, I see it now. It's on the map. Oh, I'm down.
Just
I'm on it.
No, David! Ah, we lost.
At least I tried to disarm it.
True that. At least you tried.
I'll take that.
Oh. What?
I need help.
Alright, so they had success at A. I'm pretty sure they're gonna go to A, but if you guys want to go to B, go for it.
They're going for B.
Oh, they are? Alright, running with you, Tim.
Hurry, run! What's this? What the heck?
I just realized that extra, what is it? That protection?
This is what I do.
You better find them out.
No enemies remaining. Well done.
Get your cop.
Smashing.
In records. Shit.
I'm the greatest.
I'm the greatest.
I'm the greatest.
You're the greatest. Yo.
No, my character, Anvil, he says I'm the greatest when you choose I'm the best. Yeah. I'm gonna go to A. No. I don't see anybody. So I'm... Oh wow. I'm down.
I know, you're
At least some spotted.
Look at that.
All targets eliminated. Good
Uh,
work.
One and only other. Winning, brother.
I'll take that.
Who's Alex? Your mama.
Is this like a dance club now? This is the party ship. before we go and die, we dance. Oh, that sniper left.
Oh. No enemies remaining. Well done.
You okay? You okay?
That was fast.
You think they're gonna surrender?
I'll take that.
Wouldn't it be nice if they did?
Because it's all made for us to be there.
Okay.
Are you tired, Candace?
No, I'm just talking to Daisy about something.
Like,
What are you talking about?
Something that I gotta talk to you guys about.
uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Alright.
Am I in trouble?
Dang, dude, they just came
Enemies
into the
planted
game
the
and
bomb.
just destroying
Stop
them.
them.
I feel bad because we're all running to B.
Is this something you need to tell me privately?
Not you, the whole group.
Oh. Okay. Am I in trouble?
It depends on what I'm gonna tell you. Are you guys?
I'm scared.
Uh-oh,
Let
I'm
me find
scared
out.
too.
Nino, hold me.
Okay. I'm on my way, brother.
You guys doing tying your shoes?
I need help.
No. Play around with this. Let it.
Bomb defused.
And that body's dancing with me. It's like into me. Trying to crawl to me.
Halfway through. Switching sides.
Oh, we need two more.
Our turn to attack.
Heck yeah. I can finally change characters. I'll be a support.
Hopefully everything's alright with you guys. I think it is a no. I think we're in trouble.
Oh, because
Alright,
of Daisy?
Candace, tell us what's going on.
Oh, okay.
Uh,
Daisy left because she said that you guys like me better than her.
What?
That's what she
Says
thinks.
who?
I don't know. That's what she thinks.
I didn't even know we got to vote. I was never
Yeah, I
there.
didn't know that either.
I don't know
I know.
because I left. When I left, you guys were asking about me. That's why she said that they always ask about you and all that stuff. They don't even say hi to me or anything or
I
on
want
the
clean
group chat.
kills.
Or
Watch your lines of fire.
We do
No
all the
mistakes.
time. I
Yeah,
think it's
I-
because some of the time she's quiet and
Yeah.
you're not, so it's like you're more part of the conversation. But she's still there. We still acknowledge her. At least I do.
Yeah, we
well,
do.
she feels like you guys don't care about her.
What?
Of course we do.
Plant the bomb in either site.
I don't know what to tell you, but she was telling me that, and I wanted to tell you guys.
Okay. Well, you either. We're usually playing games.
Yeah.
I know that,
We've
but
armed the
that's how
bomb.
she feels
Defend it.
about it. She thinks that they guys like me better. That's how she feels right now.
What? No, we don't.
Somebody's shooting at us. Tim, what are you doing?
Candace, we're not like that.
Ah,
Oh, that's what she thinks.
remind me if you can. Oh, never mind.
Let them win. They're fine. They're fine. It's just only like this second win.
That side's toast. Great job.
Rogue,
I don't think she's coming in. Sorry, Tim.
Match point. Let's close this contract out.
sure.
Yeah,
Daisy. She's upset.
she's upset. You better talk to her.
You're with me.
Why did you even think that way?
No, she thinks, because she says she always says hi. She always says hi to Gio, and Gio never says hi to her on the chat.
Oh, so it's
She's
me?
got messed up.
Oh.
I
I
She said
always say
everybody
hi.
else says hi. Everybody says hi to her except you, Gio. She's like, he's my friend. He doesn't say nothing, you know.
Okay, I'll start saying hi, Daisy. Sorry.
No, she was saying, I don't know. She's upset right now. I can't even.
All targets eliminated. Great work.
Good game, guys.
We won, but we can
Good game, guys. GG's.
Oh, is that the reason why?
She took off.
What's that, David?
Is that
Okay,
the
what
reason
happened? Tintin. See? Well, try to text her. Tell her. Like, what's going on?
So I was number 3, 7 and 4. David, you were 4 and 4. Tim was 10 and 8.